Quick guide on installing Castle app for PC. Now, if you would like to download Castle app for PC, then you just have to follow along with this video, then you should have no problems in the future. Now, there are many ways of downloading any applications that is only made for phones. Now, since we are trying to download Castle app for PC, then we can try to decide whether we will be downloading any emulators that we can, operate Castle, and then just go ahead and install it without any problems. And we could also download Castle app directly without an emulator. Now, if you'd like to download an emulator or operate Castle app for an emulator, then just choose your preferred emulator that you can use on your PC. If you would like to download it directly to your PC without emulator, just simply open up or access any web browser that you can use on your PC or laptop, and then head over directly to castleapk.com. Then here, just simply click on this button here that says download Castle for PC, and you just have to install it. Now your laptop or PC does not have to be technical because this is just a slight size of the storage on your PC. So again, download it and install it without any problems, and you can use it in no time. So that's a quick guide on how you can download and install Castle app for your PC.